Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix any slow download speeds on Steam. So let's jump into it. If you're trying to download games on Steam and you're finding that the Steam download speed is very slow, there's a couple of things that you can do to improve this. First thing you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you've done that, come up to the top left hand corner and press onto Steam up here. Then come down and press onto settings. The first thing you're going to want to check is the download region. So you want to make sure this is selected to the region that is closest to you, as this is going to be the closest server that is going to download your games or updates or anything like that. So after that, what I would also recommend doing is making sure that the limit download speed option is turned off. And also I would recommend turning this option on to allow downloads during gameplay. So if you go ahead and turn this switch on, as you can see underneath, it says if this is enabled, Steam may initiate or continue downloading updates whilst you have a game or other Steam application running. You can also override this on a per game basis in your library. Please note, downloading gameplay can impact game performance. So if you're using the Steam Deck, so I'd like to keep this one on. And the final thing I would recommend doing in this screen is to clear your download cache. So by clearing the download, you can see this could resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So what it does is it basically deletes any temporary files. It's not going to affect anything, but all you want to do is click this button here to clear your cache. And then once that's done, there's nothing else really that you need to do from this screen. So now here we are back onto my desktop. Now there is another thing that you can do on your computer to help improve download speeds. So what you want to do from your desktop is come down to the search bar and just go in and type Task Manager. And then once it comes up, you want to click on it and open it up. So now that you've opened up the Task Manager, what you're going to want to do from here, and you want to click onto the Performance tab. And on this screen, you can see something called the Resource Monitor. So you want to go ahead and open up the Resource Monitor. Now from here, this is going to open up a window like this. And what you want to do is at the top, you want to come across to the Network tab. And it's going to show you all the current things which are using your internet. So by terminating some of these or closing them down, you can actually help improve your internet speed because your internet is not going to be allocated to so many things. Therefore, more of your internet can be allocated to the Steam downloads. Hopefully these methods should help you guys increase your download speed and stop slow download speeds on Steam. I really hope that you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.